Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how to use auto-routing function in PCB design. First, open up a PCB file. Before you start auto-routing, make sure you are finished component placement. A few important points to check. The board outline must be completely closed. No components should be placed outside the outline. Paths should not extend beyond the boundary either. Once everything looks fine, go to Route and click on Auto Routing. Here, you will see some options. Routing corner. You can choose between 45 degrees or 90 degrees. Whether to keep existing threads and wires. Speed priority or completion priority. If you choose completion, it will take more time, but the result will be more complete. This can be based on the net name order, random order, or even a custom net priority. For example, by default, it follows the software's red order. Random order means you'll get a different result every time. You can also choose based on the number of paths or the distance between paths. You can also decide which layers to use. Only the top layer, only the bottom layer, or multiple layers together. If there are nets you don't want routed, like GND, which will usually handle later with a copper form, you can set them to ignore here. Next is the design rules section. Seems like thread width, spacing, and wire size will directly affect the quality of the auto-routing. So it's best to configure this beforehand. Once everything is set, click Run. The system will route the board automatically based on the path connections. During the process, the software will first route with 90-degree corners, then optimize them into 45-degree angles. For example, in my case, it took less than 6 seconds to finish. The completion rate was 94%, and a few extra wires were added. So, what is auto-routing used for? It's best suited for design with a large number of components, repetitive or parallel signal lines, clear schematic logic but low efficiency for manual routing, or cases where you just need a quick first pass routing to check feasibility. That said, keep in mind that auto-routing is not a perfect solution. For circuits with strict requirements on power integrity or signal integrity, such as high-speed signals or RF layouts, it's better to rely on manual routing combined with local optimization to ensure reliability. In other words, auto-routing is a great time saving tool and work well as a starting point, but the critical choices should always be checked and fine-tuned manually. That's all for today's explanation of the auto-routing function. Thanks for watching.